Well, the O2 Mountain Cat, King Cat 151, King Cat clone, so 151, is about complete. I just went to right at it and pretty much just put it back together. I still gotta get some box floats maybe for the front end. Wish I could find a faded hood from out west that kind of would match the faded bellies to the orange hood, but for Michigan, just the best I could find. I got a Boss seat, one of the old original ones, to put on it up there. I got a clear tank for it as well, just up on the shelf. Still need to clean up a little bit. I'm going to paint that orange, the pipe shield. Got a SLP power breather for it. Gonna find a nicer track at Heydays. Not the best, but it's rideable. Like to find an orange seat too, just to have the original orange seat and a Boss seat for it to ride at. Do a video start. It's got an MBRP race can on it. Well, winter's over and she'll be setting now, so here it is. Thanks.